Hey guys, in this video, there's another cheeky little technique for you that I get asked about quite a lot. So, how to divide fractions by a whole number. So this is really a sequel to my video on how to divide by fractions. If you haven't checked that out yet, go back, check that out, and then come and play with this video, because we've got a little bit of continuation on from that. So, let's get cracking. Okay. So we want to do 1/2 divided by 3. How do we do that? Well, the way that I would recommend you think about it is by turning the whole number into a fraction. So we can write 3 as 3 over 1. 3 divided by 1 is exactly the same as 3. And now we can use the trick that we were using in the dividing by fractions video, whereby we flip the fraction that we're dividing by and it becomes a multiplication, so we get 1/2 times 1/3. Now remember, when you're multiplying fractions, you multiply the tops together and you multiply the bottoms together. So 1/2 divided by 3 is 1/6. Cool. Okay, 2/5 divided by 4. So again, we're going to turn that into 2/5 divided by 4 over 1. Now we're dividing by 4 over 1, which is exactly the same as multiplying by 1 over 4. Now up on top, 2 times 1 is 2. On the bottom, 5 times 4 is 20. So we've got 2/20. That can be simplified to 1/10. So 2/5 divided by 4 is 1/10. Rocking. Okay, 8/9 divided by 7. Well, that's the same as 8/9 divided by 7 over 1, which is exactly the same as 8/9 times 1 over 7. Now 8 times 1 up on top is 8, and 9 times 7 on the bottom is 63. So 8/9 divided by 7 is 8/63, 8/63. Okay, 20/3 divided by 5. Okay, so we've got 20/3 divided by 5 over 1, which is exactly the same as 20/3 times by 1 over 5. So we've got 20 on top divided by 15 on the bottom. Now 20/15 can be simplified to, we've got a common factor of 5. So we've got 4 on top and 3 on the bottom. Now that's an improper fraction, so we could write that as 1 and 1/3. So 20/3 divided by 5 is 4/3, which is the same as 1 and 1/3. Cool. Okay, and then we got 3/8 divided by 6. So our last question here. So we got 3 over 8 divided by 6 over 1, which is the same as 3/8 times 1 over 6. So we're going to get 3 on top, 8 times 6 on the bottom, which is 48. So our answer there is 3/48. Although that can be simplified, we have got a common factor of 3, so that can actually go down to 1/16. Okay guys, that's how we divide fractions by whole numbers. Hope it's helped. Was this video helpful? If so, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and leave me a comment letting me know how you get on. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss any videos. For any further information, you can find me on Facebook or Twitter. Search for Maths with Melv. Cheers guys.